Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry fish with ginger. I have 500 grams of frozen fish fillet, 30 grams of ginger slices, 3/4 cup of water, 1 red chili, 1 stalk of parsley or it's about 30 grams, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. First, I like to start off with prepare the flour mix. Gonna put about half tablespoon of tapioca flour and 2 tablespoons of water. This flour mix solutions to thicken the gravy later on. Alright, this is done. I'm going to set it aside. Next, we're going to prepare the fish. This is frozen fish. I just left it outside and thaw it for about 1 hour. So once we thaw the fish, it has a little bit of water in here. So we need to cut it and remove all the water inside. So we need to remove all the water and rinse it. Now fish is clean and pat dry, so it's slightly dry. So I'm going to sprinkle the salt on the fish. And coat it with flour. Coated the fish with flour. Now we can go and fry it. I have preheated oil in the pan. This oil is really very hot. First, I'm going to deep fry the ginger. Deep fry the ginger just for a bit. You don't need to make it crispy or golden brown. Just about this. When it releases a nice fragrance, we just remove it from the pan. Then I'm going to set it aside. Next, we're going to fry the fish. We're going to deep fry fish for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's cooked. The fish is ready. Now I'm going to take it out and put it on the strainer. So fish tend to stuck together like this. Later on we need to separate them first. Switch off the heat and I'm going to remove all the oil from the pan. In the same pan, after I have removed the oil, I'm going to switch on the heat. Put in all garlic in oil. A little bit of fried ginger. Put in the chili, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, add the stem part of the parsley, give it a stir, really nice fragrance. Add in the water, sesame seed oil, bring it to boil. When the mixture coming to a rolling boil, I'm adding in the parsley leaves. Now lower the heat. Add in the tapioca flour mixture. Just put only half. Thicken the sauce. Now we add in all the fish and all the ginger. Give it a mix. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more water. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water. We have a little bit of gravy, it will be nice. Yeah. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But I'm happy with this as it's already delicious. I'm going to switch off the heat. This kind of stir-fry fish is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's eat! Delicious, very tasty and flavorful. The fish is soft and tender from the inside, and outside is very nice and chewy. And the gravy is very tasty and flavorful with the heat from the ginger and the chili and very nice fragrance of the parsley. When have it with rice, it's delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below, and all comments are welcome. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.